How easy is it to put blockchain on the layer of the ERP system that you're using at the moment? Is it as simple? I just see people trying to take control. People don't want control taken away from them. And some people don't want the visibility because they don't want to be exposed. Is there a challenge there?
There's definitely a transformation challenge, but it's in today's world or in today's technology, these are really very easy, and it's just simply a time-related digital transformation efforts needs to be done, and it needs to be done in any way. Okay, let me explain you the why we call it blockchain. Because in today's world, you always also hear now, or started to hear, because of maybe the negativity around the blockchain, it's called DLT, Distributed Ledger Technology. Same concept, same ideas. Blocks, please think about a storage place. Then you have another block storing the same data, the same content, but between the blocks, you're also connecting them with certain principles called hash. And then with those certain principles enables you to how to reach that data, that content. And then they also carry each block's information to each other. In other words, you have the blocks chained by certain principles, and then that certain principles not only carries the information or the data of the what's being recorded, also how this is somewhat being communicated between the blocks. So once you have thousands of blocks, you have a very, very secure and understanding platform that each moves and carries the information based on the certain blocks and then certain principles. When you purchase let's say we talk about the Bitcoin, all of these blocks records that Kay bought this one Bitcoin and now it belongs to her. You don't even have to say K, you can say just XYZ, and that's it. As long as the humanity lives, that content will remain there. And more importantly, we will come to a trust point. Nobody can ever touch it. It's immutable record, immutable content. And that's where the trust will come.
Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for conversations just like this.